OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.
Hi, I'm Terry. Now I'm with a very beautiful lady again. So it's from Gaia, from the Montevetrano. So you are the second generation of the winery. So tell us a little bit more about your winery actually.
Sorry, I
Just tell us a little bit about your winery. You are already shining star now.
Okay, so it's a winery. It's in the south of Italy,
Yes.
close to Napoli, in the south, 50 kilometers south of Napoli.
Yes.
And our wine is Montevetrano,
Yes.
that is produced by my mother, Silvia Imparato. And I think it's a wonderful wine made by Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Aglianico, which is a grape typical of the south of Italy. And I don't know.
So actually, we always say you are very boutique winery because you make not that much wine. How many bottles you make per year?
It's more or less 30,000 bottles. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you use international grape varieties like Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot. So why? Okay, 3. Okay.
Actually, this is a wine made from passion.
Okay.
And yeah, and when my mother started to taught to make this wine, she loved wine from Bordeaux in France, and we owned this vineyard in the south of Italy, and so she thought, why don't we make a wine that I like? And then it became a wine very good, and so we didn't expect it that she thought it could be a wine that we could drink from with friends, and she didn't talk it could be a job, and it could be something for everybody.
Great job. So which vintage you are bringing to us today?
2010.
2010.
2010, yeah.
Okay, so already you exported to China yet?
Not yet, but I think we are
coming.
we would like to export it in China.
Yes.
Of course. But we are not still in contact, or we have.
We are in contact with many companies, but
Okay.
we are not yet.
Chinese people come here, very great wine. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay，所以大家看到又是一个非常具有 passion 的一个 winery， 所以它这个地方也是非常少见，他们也是用的是波尔多品种，所以我们可以叫它叫 Super Campania。所以呢，这个酒单中国现在还没有销售，但我相信呢，如果用热情做出来的酒不会太差的，所以大家一定要来试一下。Thank you very much. See you very soon. Thank you.
OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.